welcome. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm making a video for you guys on 4 most important tips for you to remember in your cake business, especially if you're a home baker. Okay, so these are my 4 holy grail, like the things I remember every time I'm buying ingredients or I'm making decisions about my cake business. Okay, so the first thing is to remember to pay yourself. Yeah, I'm saying that first because that's very important, because you are important. The value you bring to the business is important. Without you, there will not be the business. So you need to get paid. When people work, they get paid. Like even if you get a job, like cake work is labor intensive. Yeah, it's not something where you have to maybe build a house or be a contractor or something, but it's something like that because you basically have to build a structure and you have to be on your feet and you have to be moving your hands and still be thinking at the same time. So remember to pay yourself. When you pay yourself, you value your business more, you value your time more, and that way you will charge enough for you to be able to make a profit. That way you won't burn out. So one of the most important things, I didn't learn this until years, like it took me years. I started as a student anyways, but like it took me years. Pay yourself. It doesn't have to be a lot. Just decide that, okay, this is the amount I'll take out every month for myself. Okay, so number 2, which is very important. So this number 2, I learned it on a blog. I don't even know on what blog I learned it. So it's to remember to buy quality ingredients, like the best ingredients. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, you want to make a chocolate cake, and when you go to the grocery store, there's this cocoa powder that is $2, yeah? And then right beside it, there's another cocoa powder that is 2.5. Don't just assume, okay, I'm doing business, I need to make money and buy the $2. It is your duty as a business person to do your research and buy the one for $2 and buy the one for 2.5 to see which one tastes better or which one gives you a better chocolate cake. The reason is because, like, sometimes you can just decide to buy the 2.5, but sometimes a higher price does not equal quality. So it's on you to be able to check which one is better for me and which one makes my recipe come out a lot better. So by the time you decide that, don't just look at the prices and pick the cheapest one because you're baking. Because I saw on this particular blog, I can't remember the blog, but the lady was like, cocoa powder, like there's some things you should not go cheap on. For example, butter, cocoa powder, and that's because they can take your cake from okay to spectacular. And every other thing in the cake is the same, but the cocoa powder is different. And if you will just spend an extra 50 cents on a better cocoa powder, your cake would go from, oh, okay, it was a nice cake, to, oh, okay, it was a great cake. So don't go cheap on certain ingredients like butter, cocoa powder, and buy good quality baking powder. Yeah, I say that because most people don't really pay attention to baking powder, but it determines how well your cake come out. Okay, awesome. So number 3, what's number 3? Okay, I think I wrote it down. Number 3, buy in bulk, guys. Like aside the fact that like when you buy in bulk, it saves you money. It also saves you the trip of going to the store. I don't know about you guys, but when I go to the store to buy cake stuff, I don't just buy cake stuff. Sometimes you go on Monday, then you go on Tuesday, then you go on Wednesday. On Monday when you went, maybe you bought yogurt. You don't really need yogurt, but you bought yogurt. Those things are piling up on your prices. I don't know. On Tuesday when you go, maybe you just, you bought candies for yourself. So if you buy in bulk, aside from saving, like having discounts on the fact that you bought a lot at once, you're also saving the transport money you spend going to the store to buy stuff. You're saving your time. And number 3, you're saving yourself from buying unnecessary stuff. So, yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so number 4, which is the final one. I can't remember. Oh God, guys, this is important. Buy lasting equipment. I could make this into a song and then dance to it and then release an album. I'm not even kidding. Buy lasting equipment. Let me give you an example. When I first started my cake business, one of the first things I did was to buy a mixer, and I bought like the cheapest one. it would spoil in 2 weeks, and then I will like take it, because it has warranty, I will take it to them, and then they'll say, okay, come back in a week. And then for 1 week I don't have a mixer, and then I'll say, okay, let me just buy another one, so that now I have two in case one spoils. Within 2 months I still don't have a mixer, because now they are both spoiled, and then I'm taking them back to the store to like, so they can fix them on warranty, and those things take time. At the point I had about 4 mixers and none of them were working. So what you want to do, okay, I think I'm still going to make a video for you guys on the mixers not to buy and the mixers to buy. Okay, so one thing you want to do is to don't waste your money buying tiny mixers. Like, it is going to waste your time, it is going to waste your energy, and it's, I don't know, you're just going to stretch it the fuck out. So what you want to do is like put money together. For example, now I don't have a mixer, not because I don't have 40 or 50 euros to buy a mixer, but because they won't last. You need to buy the good thing, like you need to buy the good ones, so that like you can have them for 6 years. There's some mixers I can swear by, and I'm going to make a different video for you guys about that. So make sure you put money together and buy the good ones. So I'm going to make a video on the ones I trust, and I can tell you this thing will last you years. Okay, so buy good equipment like mixers, like you need food processors for your fruit cakes and stuff, and like basically buy good equipment, because it makes your life a lot easier and it makes your cakes a lot better. So thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'm still going to make a video for you guys on the best, sorry, that's making lots of noise, on the best kind of mixers to buy. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. And if I haven't made that video and you would like to see what mixers to buy, I'm going to leave a link for you guys in the comment section. It's to my Amazon store, so you can go on there and see if there are some you can afford. They're not too expensive, it depends on what you're looking for. Anyways, not to distract and go off topic, thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.